Hello traders, welcome to every candle prediction part 3. Okay, here I have opened a chart which will only decides the momentum. In this chart, how to trade with the momentum and what levels should you particularly notice and whether you will see any weakness or how we can decide that it is a reversal or a retracement signs. Okay, in this video we will predict each and every candle according to the levels, according to the situations, and in between, if you get a retracement, how to react, which is the major level, which is the minor level, you can check in this particularly video. Okay, if you notice here, I have picked a chart and there was some levels. Okay, let me clear you first of all. Here you have a area of chart. Okay, here we have one resistance which is working previously, and what do you have? One more. Here we have a support and here we have another support. Okay, now here you got a buyers and here you got a buyers. It is a retracement. Why? Because in the middle of the momentum you may get one or two retracements. That's common in the market. And again you got strong candle, means in the momentum, and there is no level at all. So what is your decision? You should continue with the market. See here, this candle is too strong. Continuation, again you can continue. And now why here we got a momentum, sorry, reversal, one candle. Maybe this could be a reason. Okay, we will start predicting from here. As of now you have got idea about this particular chart. And one more thing you may say, one second, let me show you. This is an area. Previously the market was coming from a support area and it was like this, so it is respecting a trend line, so reversal, again we got a support, so finally the market reverts from here. Maybe there could be a major level in the backside. Okay, leave that aside. Now as of now we have only this chart, so we have only this chart. One second, let me show you clearly once again. Here we are where the market is here. Okay, here if you notice, here you have a support. What is the next candle now? Should we continue or should we wait? Okay, first of all, if this is a retracement, yeah, you could continue again with sellers. But here if you notice, there is one more level. If you check, this is a shoulder point. Here market, can I say this inverted head and shoulders pattern? See, this is head, this is shoulder, and again it is respected. Market went up. So this is a major area where the trend has been a reversal. First point, there is a reversal. I have mentioned this point so many times. Retracements means one or two, reversals means a whole trend where the trend has been started. So finally market came to an end by this area, and with even there is a strong candle of selling also, still you got a strong candle, buyers. So you may think, yes, again you can go with buyers here. Why? Because it's a strong level. So my prediction is next candle is buyers. Okay, we'll check what will happen. See, here we got buying candle. Okay, now what is the next candle now? Can you predict? Let me draw levels. As you know, this is a major area, and if possible, whether, yeah, here still there is a gap. And one more thing, there is no levels at all. But here I don't have any reasons to go with sellers. Why I am saying means, actually the market came to an end. This is a respecting every time, and there is no weakness in the buyers at all. You should understand. And here we have a level, but there is gap. So what do you prefer now? So you could easily go with buyers here. Okay. So in these situations, try to go with buyers. See here, one thing if you notice, the candles are getting stronger when the trend has been changed. So now you should get a clarity that the market has started a momentum too. So which means this area level is a strong one. Let me show you once again. From here the market has been started. Okay, let me draw the clearly line. A second. Yeah, if you check here you got strong momentum. Here also the momentum has been started, and one more thing, there is no weakness at all in the buyers. Even there is a level. Now I have mentioned this point so many times. Will momentum break the levels? Yes, it will break, because in the videos itself I have shown you so many examples. Okay, here if you notice, there is no weakness first of all, and here if you notice one thing, this is a retracement candle and it's not a strong candle also. So easily these kind of levels will be break the candles. So, and you don't have any upper rejection. Maybe if you have weakness continuously, means you could go with, suppose if there is a candles which are showing the weakness like this, and like this, means in this situation it will definitely work. If the candles have been closed like this, means, let me check, like this, means easily you can continue with the sellers. But here you didn't get these kind of candles. If you check these candles, there are two strong candles. So you should not go with sellers here, because the market has been in the momentum. Okay, so next candle also I will try to go with buyers. See, now what is the next candle now? If you notice here clearly one point, the candle size is getting bigger comparing to the previous one. Okay, so in these kind of situations, no need to worry. And my next levels, let me draw the levels for you. As of now, my next levels are, let me show you. Already the trend line has been breakout previously, so we no need to draw the trend line. Here is my resistance, okay, which is, here is my retest level, and here is my top resistance, which is a major area. And one more thing, where the trend has been started. Okay, only these levels as of now only I have, rest all no need. Here if you understand clearly, still I have a gap, and the trend line already has been breakout. Still you got buyers without rejection. Okay, I am saying clearly, still the buyers are getting stronger. So what is the next candle now? So maximum try to go with buyers only. See, now you got again buyers. Okay, so finally the market has entered to a level which is a minor level. Okay, and one more thing, I have mentioned this thing so many times, momentum, no weakness at all, still the candle is a strong one. Maybe in these kind of situations, if you get like this, let me, like this candle, means yeah, you can expect a selling candle. But here if you got strong candle, means what do you expect? Maybe sometimes market will make one more weak candle and it will try to reverse. Okay, otherwise it will continue. Okay, so these kind of scenarios only will happen whenever if you see these kind of strong breakout candle, try to go with buyers or try to avoid. Why? Because here if you notice only one candle itself here there. Maybe market is like this, means you can imagine there is a level, but here there is only one candle, so you can't take it as a valid level. Maybe it could be a minor level only, so easily it will break. So try to go with buyers here. See, now finally we got buyers. Okay, let me check one more time. Here, if you notice, what did you see? Okay, I will plot my levels. Here already the level has been breakout. So now, as of now, we no need to draw this level. And my next level is here. Previous retest point, and I have only top resistance. Okay. And if you notice one thing here, the candle still has been breakout. So here you have a level, still it didn't respect. Here also you have a candle with a strong candle, but sometimes this is a Marboso candle. There is no wick in the both sides. Sometimes it will be reversal, sometimes it will be continuation sign. Okay, if this is a strong level, maybe this much momentum has been stopped by one candle, means maybe there could be a strong level in the left side. So try to understand, and here it is a 50-50 chances. Try to check. Okay, what is the next candle? Yeah, as usual, follow with the momentum only, but take margin of safety, which will be helpful for you. Okay, here we got selling candle finally. Finally we got a selling candle. Let me check once again. I will draw the levels clearly. Here I have a level, present level, and next major level is here. Okay, now you got a selling candle here. Now how should you react? Means there are two possibilities. One, you are in a momentum, and if you notice here we have a inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, it is coming from a pattern where the market shows the indication of the uptrend. Up to here we can go. Okay, up to here in this level. According to that, if it will retraced and it will go again, that's a secondary thing. But as of now, we can move up to this level. So up to this level you can go for the buyers, means yeah, you can continue with the momentum. Why? Up to now you have strong momentum here. If here also, if you check once again, let me clear this. I will show you once again. Sorry. Here if you check, last two times you got a retracement, market continued. You got a retracement, market continued. You got a retracement, market has been continued. You got a retracement, market has been continued. So if you check these all possibilities, so every time when you are getting a retracement and you don't have levels, means what the market will do, it is continue again. So even if you have now total 6 candles you have continuously, so easily you can go with one more candle. And if you notice, market has been respected and buyers will enter here. Okay, retested week successfully, so easily buyers will enter. So try to continue. Okay, now again we got buyer's candle, and up to here, one second, this level, which means this level, it is a seller's area previous entered, still there is a gap. If the market closes like this, one second, like this, maybe you can go with sellers again. Okay, if market breaks, means yeah, you can continue because you don't have any levels already. This level has been respected, so your next major level is here, so easily you can go with buyers. Okay, so you can go with next candle. See how strong it is. Again you got a buying candle. So now what is the next candle? Sorry, one second. Here finally you have reached the major level. And one more thing I have mentioned you so many times, breakout, you should need a weakness. Market rare case only it will reverse instantly, like one second, This is a major level. So in this kind of cases only the market will make a huge reversal, and it is a Marbozo candle. But this is a strong candle. The level is also strong. So we have two equal powerful area. So what do you expect in this kind of areas? So my suggestion is try to wait for the next candle. Why? Because here you have a 50-50 opportunity. Why I am saying this thing means here both are strong. The resistance is too strong, and the buyers which presently they have entered also a too strong candle. It is not showing any weakness, but there is a rejection. But how long? Maybe it could make one more candle, or instant it will reverse. Both the things will happen. So try to wait for the candle. Why I am saying means every time we can't predict the perfect one. Sometimes market will need a weakness to make a reversal. Okay, without weakness market won't reverse, except in the major areas like the previous major trendy reversal points. Okay, here you can wait. So I'm moving to the next candle. See here, finally the market made a green candle. It's okay, but it doesn't even make a new high or a new low. Okay, so which means the market is in a weakness finally. So these kind of indications whenever in the momentum. And why I am mentioning this point means here if you notice, here also market after a strong candle they got a weak candle, and finally they have made a reversals. Okay, so these kind of hint here also. If you check weakness means the last candle will be so weak, so then only it will reverse, otherwise it won't. So you should check these all points in the momentum, because whenever you are in the momentum, when you should wait, when you should go with the flow means you should check these candles reactions only. This will matter more. Okay, where we are here, the resistance. Okay, here the resistance is, there is zone. Okay, now what is the next candle? So finally this strong candle means you can expect one more reversal here, because it is a strong area. At least you can expect one reversal, and you got a weakness also. So two steps which I can make a reversal candle. So here try to go with sellers. Okay, here I got a selling candle. And now what is the next candle? Don't think much, just check and observe this level only, because you are in this area only. Still there is a gap, so which will, maybe the market will, one second, market will come to this level and it will go up, or the market will make a fake breakout, or market will come to this level and it will move up. So these all the possibilities as of now I have. Otherwise the market will come up to this area, or market will make it up to this area. Okay, these are the valid levels as of now I have. Okay, so there are these possibilities to go with buyers from these areas, but according to the situations only, not definitely I'm saying, but there is a possibility that market will easily may go up. But here in this situation I don't think so market will go up, because it's shown a weakness that markets want to reverse, but it need a support as of now. We'll check what will happen in the next candle. But here as of now the situation, you can go with sellers. Why I am saying means there is a weakness and a strong selling candle, and one more thing, there is a gap, not even touch the level. So it is a major level, so you should respect it. So you can expect one more retracement. Okay, so that's the reason only I'm going with sellers here. Okay, here what do you observe? I will show you two more situations for you. Here I will show you one more thing. Okay, check this after momentum. Okay, after momentum. Okay, here also after momentum. What do you notice? If you notice the candles size after the momentum, whether they are strong or weak, you should check this point first of all. If the market really wants to reverse from here, means it will show some rejections, which means rejection means like this, and here if you check like this and like this, rejections. But as of now, if you see, there is rejection or not. So I don't think so there is no rejection, so easily you can continue with the selling itself. Why I am saying this means, if you get rejections, you may get clarity, but if you wait, it is good. Why? Because you may check, here we have a level, but still there is a gap, and here it has been breakout, but it's a strong candle. So maybe we could wait for one candle or go with sellers. Maximum we should wait or try to go with sellers. Okay, now we will go with sellers here. Okay, now as of now, did you see any weakness regarding this? Okay, comparing to the previous, now the candle is getting weak. Whether we have any levels, we'll check. Okay, no, not really. It's not good. 1 second. To draw like this, but it is a wrong trend line. Like this, it is not a valid one. So we can't draw trend line like this. But as of now, what do you notice? Finally, the market has been retested this level. In these situations, try to wait. One, the buying candle will make like this and it will go up again. Two, one more selling candle to confirm the downtrend. Okay, because I don't have any levels. Next level is here and here. Okay, so try to wait at these areas. Why? Because as I said before, if you get a buying candle over there, then you can confidently go with buyers again. But here, if you get a selling candle, means there is a saying that always after breakout also still there are sellers interested, means yeah, you can continue. Yeah, same situation will be happened here. Why? Because just now the momentum has been started, so easily you can continue in that flow. Okay, here let me check what is the next candle. Okay, still again sellers. Okay, now what is the next candle? Here if you notice, continuously there is weakness. Okay, which means, why I am saying weakness means you are seeing a lower rejections continuously. So both are reversal signs. We have to wait here, whether otherwise we have to check whether we have any level or not. Here we have a level. Okay, so continue with the momentum only. What will happen, even if it is a green candle in between, means there is nothing will happen. Maybe you could lose one trade, again you can continue with the momentum itself. So maximum try to go with momentum with the margin of safety. Why? Because if you notice the weakness, means you should understand, you should take maximum margin of safety, so easily you could win. Okay, I'm going with the sellers again. Okay, here I can go with sellers. Okay, now what is the next candle now? Okay, 1 second. Let me draw my levels first of all. Here I have a level, and okay, both are same. Here I have a zone. Okay, here I have a level. Why? Because these are the levels as of now I have. This one has been breakout, so no need. And if you check one more thing here, is there an example to show you clearly? 1 second. In this chart I didn't find any example to show you. Okay, I will draw the graphically. Whenever you get a candle like this, which means, okay, 1 second. Okay, suppose you got a candle like this. Suppose, imagine it's a downtrend. If you get one more candle like this, which doesn't make a new low. Second. So in these cases, you should be conscious. Why? Because these kind of times you may get a reversal instantly. Okay. So whenever you get these kind of things, so try to wait, because you can understand. Okay. So sometimes it will reverse, sometimes it will continue. Okay. So whenever you get a clean close candle inside the wick level, so try to wait over there, because there is no new low like this will be situations will be happened, so it will be an easy target for the reversal. So try to wait. Okay. Okay, now this candle I will wait. I need a confirmation, so that's why I will wait. So try to wait in these kind of areas, even in the uptrend also. Okay, now again we have a weakness, so same concept, but you need to wait here also. Okay, I'm going for the next candle. See, we got a reversal. Okay, let me show you one more time. Here, if you notice one thing, market is in a momentum, but as of now it is getting weakness continuously. So finally you got a buying candle. Now in these kind of situations, two things will be happening. First of all, the market is respecting this area. No, still the wick level has been reached. Okay, now sometimes the market could reverse from here like this, it will make, and it will go up next level here. Sometimes the market will go down too, like this. Okay, but here in this kind of weakness, here there is a confusion regarding both the sides of the candles are weak. Here the sellers are weak, here the buyers are weak. After by a selling candle, if you get this kind of candle, means you could easily win, right? You have a confidence. After buying candle, you got a strong selling candle, means you may think, yeah, sellers are getting stronger. Why? Because buyers are weak. See, like these situations. But like these situations means you should wait, it will be better, because both parties have equal power, so easily they will, who will enter, we can't decide every time. So try to wait in these kind of situations. If suppose if you get a strong candle, selling candle, means yeah, you can continue again to the next level here. Okay, so as of now you need to wait regarding this thing. Okay, so try to wait here. Okay, 1 second, let me, whether I have any level. Okay, maybe this strong point, maybe here it is respecting, here also it is respected. Okay, whatever it is, the level has been entered. Okay, so we got a reversal, it's fine, but as of now if you check, you need to wait. Okay, we'll show you the next candle. Okay, now as expected you got a strong candle. What is the next candle? As I said the scenario before itself, so easily you can continue for at least one candle. Even there is a level also, it will make at least a weak candle, which will help us to make one more candle. Like how can you imagine, means this scenario will you can imagine, and this kind of scenarios you can imagine. Here also same thing. Okay, easily it could make a like this weak candle also. Okay, so try to continue with the selling candle. And one more thing, after momentum there is a weak, but we thought buyers are strong, but here this candle proved there are no buyers interested, so easily you can continue with the selling candle. See, now again it's a strong candle. Let us check whether we have any levels or not. As of now, here I have this one. Still there is a gap in the momentum, so easily will cover the gap. And here we have a level, okay, which is a strong point. So as of now we have only these levels. So what is the next candle now? As I said, follow the momentum only. The candle strength is trying to continue to the next level, so easily you can go with sellers. See, it is too strong. Okay, here we have one more situation. Just now the level has been break by the weak. Here it is a level, but if you see, there is no weakness at all. Okay, if you check, there is no weakness. Breakout, no weakness. So if you check, when you don't have any weakness, you can easily go with sellers again. And one more thing, you are in a momentum. Okay, so easily you can go with sellers again. It's not a problem. If you get like this candle means you should think. If you get like this candle, yeah, you can expect one buyers. But here you didn't get any weakness. Here if you notice once, sorry. Here if you notice, this is a weakness. Okay, let me clear you first of all and I will explain this point because it will help you a lot. Sorry. Okay, this kind of situation, here it is a level. See, if you notice, here you got a weakness, so easily you got a buying candle. But here you didn't get any kind of weakness, so you can't expect a candle. Maybe if you get a weak candle after this candle, yeah, you can expect a buyers. Up to then, go with selling only. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we'll check the next candle now. See, next again strong sellers. As I mentioned you before itself, in between you have only retracements, so you can't take it as a strong levels. Strong, the next candle now. See, next again strong sellers. As I mentioned you before itself, in between you have only retracements, so you can't take it as a strong levels. Strong levels means I have shown you, right? In this chart I will show you one more time. Strong levels, which are, this is a strong level, this is a strong level, this is a strong level, and this is a strong level, and this is a trendline point which is a strong level. This is a strong level. So these levels are considered as a strong levels. So if you have these kind of levels, try to wait because easily you may get reversals. So as of now we have these points only. Okay, on to the topic. Where are we? Here in this case there is a continuous momentum trades. Easily you can go with sellers. Okay, see, here there is no level as of now, and okay, here if you check, there is a level but still you have a gap. So what is your call? Okay, here also I have a level, but I didn't see any weakness regarding these candles. I didn't see any weakness. My point is clear. I am saying one more time. Remember it. Whenever you have a level, the candle should show some respect in the way of rejections. Otherwise, the levels will be break easily. The word I will say every time, momentum will break the levels easily means. So in these kind of situations only the momentum will break because the sellers are strong. Maybe there could be a news time regarding that thing. So easily the sellers are getting strong means it will break the levels easily. So you should check these points. If it really shows the weakness, then it's okay. After breakout, it will be reversal, then it will be also okay. But after breakout also, sometimes you won't get a reversal, means yeah, there is no possibility of buyers. Yeah, you should go with sellers only. So try to remember this point. Every time the levels won't respect, if every time the levels will be respected, means the market will sustain in only some areas only. It can't go higher areas, because it can't make new high new lows. It will sustain in this ranging only if the market won't break the levels, means okay. So it will definitely break the levels. According to the candlesticks, you should change the mindset. Okay, here what is the next candle? Try to go with sellers only, because we are in a strong momentum. Okay, here again, did you see any weakness regarding this? Okay, let me draw the levels for you once again. Sorry. Okay, where we are? Yes, let me show you levels. Here I have a major level, still there is a gap. Here I have a level, but if you notice, the candle has been breakout, still you are not at all seeing a weakness. So which means the market will respect maybe horizontal level. So up to this level we can expect, and one more strong level is here. There is still gap, so easily I didn't see any weakness. In my mindset, I will think only I will continue with the momentum only as of now, because don't go against the momentum. There is a saying, trend is a friend. So try to follow the momentum as of now. Otherwise, try to avoid, because it's a major level. Maybe it could be reverse also. Okay, so if possible, go with sellers or try to avoid. Okay, here if you notice, what you have got a strong candle finally. So which means the market came to an end, maybe, I think so. Why I am saying means, here the both the levels have been reached, which means this one we got into, and this one, yeah, here we got a breakout, and there we are. Yeah, okay, finally this one has been reached, and this one has been reached, except all levels we have been cleared. See, here we don't have any levels, and here also it has been breakout, and again we got a sellers. Okay, so still there is a strength in the candle. But if you notice one more thing, suddenly you got a sellers, strong one. It's look like somewhat exhaustion, but as of now try to avoid, because up to the buying candle we can't expect a that the buyers are interested. Okay, so try to avoid, because sometimes the trend has been reversed from this, means maybe this candle will make reversals. Why I am saying this thing means, here one more thing I will show you, one more thing clearly. Okay, one second. Okay, it is a level where the strong points have been make a reversal, and here we have one more level. So I have double confirmation to go with buyers. And previously there is a example also, here also same situation, here also same situation. The major points only making a reversals here, because it's a major level. So here you can respect maybe, so try to wait, or if possible with the margin of safety, try to go with buyers. Why? Because here I have an example, previously it was reversed, maybe easily at least you can make one more retracement here. Okay, we'll check what will happen in the next candle. Okay, it has been breakout. Okay, finally the market has been breakout, means now you can officially enter with the buyers. Okay, so now can we go with buyers? Should I wait? It is not a breakout. See, the market has been opened and closed exact at the this areas. Okay, so now you should wait here, because it is not a, it is a strong candle. Sorry, maybe market will go up to this level or this level, or it may reverse too. Sometimes after breakout only the market will reverse. Okay, so you should try to wait, or try to make a reversal here, 50-50 chances. So try to wait maximum, because there is no weakness, so maybe it could be a fake breakout, or we'll check. Okay, finally I got to see a buying candle. It's good. Okay, maybe finally the momentum got an entry exit point here. Okay, where are my levels? Let me draw for you. Here it is respected horizontally, so finally you got a level. And what is the next candle? Here it has been breakout a level. If market really wants to go down, it will retest and it can go down like this. Otherwise, market is a fake breakout, means it will retest and it will go to up. Next possibility levels here, which will be selling areas if possible. Okay, so as of now, try to go with buyers here. Why? Because it is a strong level. This is a strong level. You can expect minimum 2 retracements. Okay, here weakness, here it is showing. Maybe you may get selling candle. Let me check whether it has been reached over the level. I want to check. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I think it has been reached, but here it is showing a weakness and a new low. Maybe you can go with sellers here. Try to go with sellers, because here I am seeing, 1 second, no level, no possibilities, but it is rejected from a buying area. But okay, anyways, try to go with sellers. We'll check what will happen here. Oh, still buyers. Okay, here still buyers means what is the next candle now? Here in these kind of cases, maybe previous was a buying candle. Why? Because this is the area where the buyers have been rejected. And one more thing, here we have a level. Just now the market has entered without a rejection, means maybe market will enter into the up also. Why? Because already 3 candles have been formed and continuously it is getting stronger, not a weak one. So you can expect one more candle, and if possible my next reversals are here. If this works, means market will go down too, but if didn't work, means maybe the maximum reversal from this area, or here, or here, or here. Okay, so as of now, try to go with buyers in this case. See, here we got a strong candle. Why? Because there is momentum has been started again, so market is in a momentum again, so easily you can check these points. Okay, I think the video came to an end. Anyways, we have levels. Here we have a level. Okay, and one more thing, here we have a level, here we have a level. Okay, can I make a selling candle or buying candle? Still there is a gap, I think so. Okay, we'll check what will happen. Here I don't have any opportunity because it is exact closing. Here also it has been exact closing. These kind of tricky situations will be happen. So here try to wait, because it is a strong area. It is also a strong area. Okay, see here the sellers have been respected finally. Okay, so easily you can go with sellers here, but previously it is a situation where both are strong, so that's the reason only. Sometimes it will break, sometimes it will respect, so try to check these kind of situations. Okay, because sometimes we need to wait regarding these type of situations, because there is no weakness at all, so it could break or it could make a weak candle. So check the situations, according to that you can trade. Okay, I think you have got a clarity about momentum, weakness, strong, which level you should consider, which levels are strong, which levels are weak, and what levels do you consider. Okay, and where should you wait, where should you get 50-50 chances. So If you check these all points, you will understand the market clearly in the momentum only. Maybe this is a OTC market, so you got strong candles, but in the real market maximum you won't get this kind of chart, but it will be helpful. And regarding that, every time the market won't be bad, every time the market won't be good, so you should look after both the type of markets. So I hope you like the video. Okay, try to check once again. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can message me in the Telegram. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.